What up? It's Kettle Hut, and welcome back. Yes, back to what? Another homework helper video. So today we're going to be doing the homework for the week of 413 to 417. With the homework that we're doing right now, will be due on 420. That's Monday at 10 a.m. Difference this week, it is on Canvas. So this is what you guys should see. It says student view. The big purple student view bar will not be down there when you log in. Probably know this. Anyways, so let's hop straight into it. You're saying, how do we find it? There's a couple different ways to find the homework this week. You can click on calendar. The one that's due on 420 right here, that's a surf. When you click on that, it comes straight to the homework. You can also go through, in case you guys haven't realized yet, everything we do is going to be done in modules. And when you click on modules, you can open or close these. These are all the modules from all the stuff we've been doing. First week, second week, it has all the stuff on here, all the notes, all the lessons. So you could watch the videos. There's the link to the assignment again. But say you come here, you watch my video. There's the one that I posted about cones. You can click on the notes, and then here's the homework. When you click on this, it brings you to the same page, right to it. So the surface area of cones and pyramids, hopefully you've seen the video. So here we go, first attempt. The Louvre, been there, awesome place, is a museum in Paris. A glass square-based pyramid sits in front of the entrance to the museum. If the pyramid is 25 meters wide at the base and 20.6 meters tall, what is the minimum amount of glass needed to construct the pyramid? So again, minimum amount of glass needed, that's going to be surface area, hint right here. So surface area of a square-based pyramid, you're going to want to find the surface area of each triangle, and then find the surface area of the square on the bottom. Sorry, it's a rectangle. Add those all together, and you have the surface area of the whole thing. The next one is a cone, and these might be in different order. I think I set them up to be random. So find the surface area of the cone below. There you go. Surface area of the cone is pi r squared plus pi r h. So you just plug in 8 for radius. Sorry, pi r squared plus pi r l. Watch the video. It's pi r squared plus pi r l. So you'll have 8 as the radius, and slant height is 17. So you can plug those things straight in, find your answer there. Number 3, this is going to be the hardest one. I just want to mention how to do this. So you would find the surface area of the cone, pi r squared plus pi r l, and you will have to use Pythagorean theorem. 4 is right here. This radius of this cone is also 4. Using Pythagorean theorem, because 5.5 is the true height, so you would have 4 squared plus 5.5 squared, and that would leave you equals c squared, and this c squared would be this length here. Why this is hard is because once you find the surface area of the cone, set it aside, remember what it is, find the surface area of the cylinder, which as we saw, you find the surface area of both circles, add them together, and then find the surface area, or find the area of the rectangle all the way around. If you watch the video, this makes more sense to what I'm saying, if you're lost right now. Now the trick is, notice we counted the surface area of this circle twice, where my mouse is, right? We counted it as the bottom of the cone, as one of the circles, and then we counted it as the top of the cylinder. Now whatever those, both of those are, you have to subtract those, because that's not surface that we can see or touch or feel, right? It is inside of the shape. So you would have to subtract both of those circles. Choose the correct surface area formula for a pyramid. Well, you guys can figure that out. Pyramids don't have pi, so you can get rid of 2 of those right away. And then find the surface area of the square-based pyramid. That's 18 and 18. This is going to be just like number 1. They give you a regular height in here. Be careful with that. Choose the correct surface area for cone, as we said, pi r squared plus pi r l. That one is right there, free. And then find the surface area of the cone again. Now this one they give you the true height, so you will have to do the same sort of thing. You will have to do a squared here plus b squared here equals c squared along the outside. That'll give you the radius. So I know I didn't do any of this. If you have questions, there is also going to be Mr. Coleman's video who goes through and he does how to do these. That's why I'm not doing them. He uses different numbers. The other reason is some of you might have already figured out. Yep, it's fine. After you submit it, it does tell you which one you got wrong. So, I mean, worst case scenario, you can brute force it and just, yes, but please don't do that. The last thing I want to point out is they should, I believe this is set up so that way it will show you how you did. And what I mean, not how you did, of course it shows you how you did, but it should show you advice. So let's just try and get some of these wrong real quick, and then I can show you what I mean. Loading screens are the best. So let's just guess, and hopefully we get some of them wrong. And then hopefully we'll see one of the ones I'm talking about. This one would be a good one. Okay. Yeah, let's just choose one. Okay. I didn't answer 5. Oh, I was just trying to guess. I know they're wrong. That's what the point is. So, got 1 out of 7. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so here's what Miss Gregg tried to do. Based on your answer, you may have included surfaces on the composite figure that aren't actually a part of the surface. So this is actually the one I was telling you about. Notice we have to subtract some. That's because he counted the circle twice. So you have to take out both of them, not just one of them, both of them, because that's inside of the shape. Think about that cylinder wearing a hat. The bottom of the hat and the top of the cylinder, neither of them are on the surface. So both of those have to get wiped out. So hopefully you guys have this. If you have questions, please ask me. I have office hours on Monday and Wednesday from 8 to 9. As you can see right here, this is Monday at 7:53. My office hours are going to be starting about 7 minutes. Drop on in. This video won't be uploaded until Wednesday. I might pop it up early. It'll be on my YouTube if you are there, Black Box Math. And Tuesdays and Thursdays, my office hours are from 9 to 11. And Friday is by appointment only. So if you want me to be online Friday, I can. You just have to email me or get a hold of me, and we can do that. So thank you guys for listening. See you next time.